KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.
A pipe with dimensions D20 to D40 is shortened to the desired length with the cutting wrench WZ130. Use the special aluminum peeling device WZ150 when working on aluminum connecting pipes. Remove the cover layer and the aluminum layer inside the sleeve. The inner pipe, which can be welded, has a different color. Pay attention that there is no aluminum in the welding area. If necessary, mark the depth. From our chart, find the appropriate heat-up time according to the pipe diameter. Set the timer. Pay attention that the surface of the pipe, as well as the inside of the form piece, is clean and free of any grease. Slide the pipe and the form piece to their full depth in the welding device. The heat-up time begins now. After the heat-up phase, you should immediately, without any delay, fit the pipe and the form piece together. The stripes on the pipe and on the form piece serve to indicate directions. Readjustment is possible up to a maximum of 4 degrees. By readjustment, follow the given times according to the chart. After the cooling down phase, the mended pipe can again be placed under pressure in full working condition.
KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.